Do you guys like my hair? I just did it myself. Can you believe it? So I went to the hairdressers and I got it cut, so it was like down here sort of, and those end bits were getting super like scruffy and way too blonde. Like I wasn't liking how blonde it was, so I went and cut it off, and now it's like a nice honey shade all over. This is pretty much now my natural hair color, because the last time I dyed it, it was brown. And obviously if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that it used to be bleach blonde. So went from bleach blonde to brown, dyed it brown again a few times, toned it a few times, and then this summer it's just kind of gone back to its natural color, which is like a honey blonde. When I got it cut, I put a treatment in it as well, so it just feels super healthy and really nice. Oh, I have pins and needles in my toes. It's now Sunday. I actually have so much footage to show you guys from the weekend. My mum was really cute. So I went up to Palmy for the weekend with my family, and I wasn't actually intending to vlog it at all. My mum kept being like, give me the camera. Well, actually I didn't even have the camera. Give me your phone, give me your phone. And she wanted to capture a lot of footage for me, which was funny because she's always saying to me, she's like, I want you to mix up your vlogs, you're getting boring. And of course my mum like knows exactly what I do every day, so she watches it and she's like, you're repetitive. And I can see that, like I can see how it gets repetitive. But yeah, so she was like, you know, I'll start filming some stuff for you and we'll make it more interesting, do fun things together, which is really nice. I've been thinking for a while now about hiring a videographer, but even if I had mum come around and film stuff for me, that would be kind of cool as well, I think. But yeah, so yeah, she filmed a whole bunch of stuff that we got up to while we were in Palmy, and I didn't really talk in it at all, so I'll probably just find some cool music and just put a few clips in for you guys now, so enjoy.
No, you're swinging. Better. You're swinging. Get.
Watch out, guys. Oh! That's bad. We're done.
That's it.
There's footprints everywhere. That's how not to play golf. It's creative filming. I think she's implying something. She finds my vlogs boring.
Not at all.
Darling, there's a storm coming. I feel the winds blowing. I'm heading for the horizon. I need it. Oh, all around the waves are getting steeper, but I know we can swim. So baby, are you with me? Oh, I've been doing it myself, now I need some help. Ain't nobody know me better than you know me. I don't wanna drown, I don't wanna drown tonight. So tell me, would you die with me? Tell me, would you die with me? So tell me, would you die with me? Tell me, would you die with me? Standing by the rocks, feel the ocean crash. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. Standing by the rocks, feel the ocean crash. Don't push me. Standing by the rocks, feel the ocean crash.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
So yes, thumbs up if you guys think my mom's a good videographer. She's so cute. She's such a classic mum, capturing all like the really random stuff that I would never think to capture, but bless her, I love her so much. Back home, obviously, I've done a bit of a cleanup. This is Nick's last day off today, so we're gonna go for a nice dinner tonight, our favorite restaurant, and have some pizza. I'm gonna make myself a tea now, and I'm in my trackies, tucked in as well. Like, could I possibly get any dorkier? More glamour in the hair, and then like absolutely, oh god, this is so annoying, keep swinging down there, and then like the daggiest human ever down the bottom. But oh, I just love having healthy hair. It feels so good. Just making myself a detox tea. I saw Lydia talking about it, Lydia Elise Millen. I love her. I've only met her briefly, but she's absolutely lovely, and she's so freaking stunning. It's like ridiculous. Her vlogs, and I saw her make a tea with apple cider vinegar, lemon, and lemongrass and ginger. That mixed with like lemon and honey is oof, so tasty. And I always have lemon and ginger teas with lemon in it or like honey in it, but I've never mixed it all together. So I just use the lemongrass and ginger from T2, and I just like store it in my little T2 box. Oh, by the way, how funny is this? We went donutting on the weekend, which you guys would have seen, and my nails were so long. Like, you guys probably saw how long my nails were before we went, and I kept getting scared that they were going to break holding onto the thing, so I got back onto the boat and I just cut them off. And they're all like jaggedy and crazy because I kind of bit/cut them. Super into lighting incense. I got this incense, and you just take like one of them, these little things, and you just light it, and I just like leave it in this cup. It's just like super nice because it like makes my room smell really nice. One thing I will say though about drinking these teas is that you need to be super careful of your teeth because there's so much acid in the or acidity in the lemon and in the apple cider vinegar. So I don't know what it is that you have to do. I think it's don't brush your teeth straight away, maybe wait a little bit and then you brush your teeth just to protect the enamels of your teeth. But don't quote me on it. I don't know what you're supposed to do, but just make sure that either you can drink it through a straw, which is kind of shitty, or like wait like 10 minutes or half an hour or something and then brush your teeth so that it doesn't rot your teeth. Tastes so good though, and it's really good for your digestion.